Okay, got our next job site coming up. Getting all the steel set up, getting the forms put in so we can pour the stem walls and the slab. These guys have done a great job getting the steel in place. They're working clockwise, so they came in 6 inches for the first one. Then you come in 4 inches, and it's every 12 inches after that for this particular job. We should be out here, I don't know, 2 weeks, maybe 3 at most, starting to throw some block. As long as everything goes to plan. Keep coming back here. We've got the RV garage. There will be a casita out in the back as well. Try and do better at taking the videos, but you gotta understand, I'm really busy out here, so I don't always get them. But I'll do my best to show this project going up every step of the way.